Hi, today we are going to talk about whenever we have a relation, if it is a function or not. The definition of a function is when each x value is paired with a unique y value, the relation is a function. Let me explain this definition by using order pairs, mapping, table, and graph. Let's talk about order pairs first. So we have x and y values here. We have pairs. Remember that the first one is x, the second one is y value. So your x values are different from each other, 0, 1, 2, 3. So which means it is not a problem. There is no problem with that. It's a function. Don't worry about your y values, okay? But here I have 0, 1, 1, 6, 1, 4, 2, 8. I have 1, 6 and 1, 4. One goes to 6 and one goes to 4. One goes to two different y values. So it's a problem. It's not a function. A table is very similar to ordered pair. You will just pay attention to your x values. If they are all different from each other, no problem. It's a function. Don't worry about y values. But here in the second table, I have 1, 4 and 1, 2. They are different from each other. Like I have two y values here belongs to 1. So 4 and 2. One goes to 4, one goes to 2 at the same time. It's a problem, not a function. Let's talk about mapping right now. So I have two, negative 2, 3, 5, and 6. Pay attention. Although they they look like different from each other, you will pay attention something else. You will pay attention your arrows. So 2 goes into negative 4, 3 goes to here. Yes, no problem with that one. But here, you will pay attention to 5. 5 goes into negative 5. 5 goes into negative 4, which means your 5 goes into two different y values, so it's not a function. And the last one is graph. Whenever you have a graph, you will use your vertical line test. Vertical line test is that whenever you have a graph, you will draw your vertical lines like that. You will pay attention. If your line is passing through your graph on one point, it's function. So here my point. So my second line passing through my graph, this point, just one point. So no problem, it's a function. But that one, I have, when you draw this, you have 2 points on vertical line. So it's a problem. It's not a function. So let me give you a couple of examples. Uh, Here we have a mapping diagram. When you have a mapping diagram, you will pay attention. Although they look different from each other. You will pay attention your arrows. 3 goes into 5. Yes, I checked everything. There is no problem with that one. It's a function. We have another mapping diagram. I have 1 and 3 here. The problem is here. 3 goes into 3. 3 goes into 5. So it's not a function. Let's talk about this table. Whenever you have a table or ordered pair, you will just pay attention to your x values. If they are all different from each other, no problem. It's a function. That one I have 3 and 3. So I have two threes as an x value. So it's a problem, not a function. And I have ordered pairs here, negative 3, negative 2, 0, 1. My x values are all different from each other, no problem. Negative 1, 3, 4, 6, and 10, they're all different from each other. I'm talking about x values. They're all different from each other, so no problem. It's a function. And I have two graphs. Let me explain it one more. Whenever you have a graph, you will draw your vertical lines passing through one point, no problem with that one. But when you draw your line here, your line passing through your graph in 2 points, no, is not a function. Thank you for watching.